We have a range of anti-jamming products which have different performance characteristics. We have extremely small and light products. From down here we have a 2-channel anti-jam system, but if you have a very hostile environment, very heavily jammed, you have to go up in capabilities. The current common one right now is an 8-channel system which protects you from 7 directions of jamming. This is the TRNAV module. This is one of the nodes that will allow you to reference the GPS position, and they work as a network. So you have a ground reference point or a couple of ground reference point to make it accurate, and your platform will come in, join ad hoc and determine its position. So you could have all of the GPS signals knocked out and this will know its GPS position. This is our data links product. This is an ad hoc mesh network. Our flight telemetry systems also have data acquisition, so we can take on board or digitize all types of sensor on any platform. We have onboard recording in these as well. And then we have flight termination, which we have a ground station transmitter which we can design everything for, as well as the onboard flight termination receiver.